Hello and welcome. My name is Jonathan, and today we are going to talk about Power BI. This is a quick tip, very simple, but very powerful. If you are starting with Power BI, then I am pretty sure that you will find it very useful. Sometimes we have reports with many visuals, and we need to keep them as individual visuals, maybe. However, since all the visuals that we have in a report, sometimes they share the same data sources, they are affected if we interact with one or another. So let's see what are we talking about. In this report, we have three different visuals. One that is a quantity by product. This one is the balance by product. This is like the sales. And this little card here is the total balance or the total sales for the products. Sometimes we need to interact with the visuals. Let's see what happens if we select something in this visual. You see, we get this highlighted. Also, we got filtered this other total balance card. And we need that this card keeps this value because this card reflects the total balance or the total sales for the whole products. And we don't want it to be filtered by any selection. So see here, and also this balance by product got highlighted. So if we want to change this kind of interactions, the only thing that we need to do is first select one visual, then come here to the format and select this option, edit interactions. When we hit this guy, we got three different icons here. And for this card, we got two. Why? Because each visual in Power BI has its own features and characteristics. So what's the meaning of this icon? This is known. It means that if we select known for this visual, it loses all the interactions with any other visual. If we select highlighting, that is the default option for this kind of visuals, it acts as we saw before. It got highlighted. And if we select the filter, it is going to be filtered each time that we select something in this visual. Why? Because we select this visual as the main visual for this page. So let's see how it works. If we select known, then you see this visual keeps the same. It doesn't matter which value we select here. But what happened with this card? Since we have not changed the interaction in this visual, it keeps filtered. So let's hit this none. And then we have the total balance for the whole product. And it doesn't matter which option or which product we select here. What happens if we select filter in this visual? Well, it's very obvious, but the visual gets filtered. You see, as I told you, this is a very, very simple but very useful tip when you need that the visuals act like individual visuals in your pages. Okay, I hope you like this video. See you next time.